Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing this makeup look which is inspired by BTS Boy With Love music video. And so you all guys are requesting me that do a BTS inspired makeup look again. You love the last makeup look that I did inspired by BTS, which is BTS Butter. So I did like a 3 parts actually of that makeup look, and you guys liked it, and you guys wanted me to do like more BTS inspired makeup look. So this is here the famous song Boy With Love. So Boy With Love music video is all about pink, yellow and blue. Like blue very slightly, mostly is pink and yellow, so that's why I'm here wearing like all pink and yellow sort of a color. So yeah guys, let's just start with this makeup look. Alright you guys, let's just start with the makeup, and for primer I'm going to be using the Maleo Infallible Maleo primer this time, because it's been a long time since I've used this primer, and it is a good mattifying primer. So taking like a very tiny amount and just applying it especially on my nose area. Okay, so I've primed my face well enough, and now I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I really like this foundation. You know, it gives a very natural skin like finish. So I'm just going to use this foundation using a beauty blender, because you know, it gives a very natural finish again, so I really like it. Okay, and for concealer I'm going to be using the Sugar concealer, and it is a full coverage concealer actually, because it is like kind of a thick concealer. It is like thicker than the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it's also a highlighting concealer. As you can see, it is lighter than my skin tone, so it will gonna give my face a nice dimension if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna be blending concealer with the same method using a beauty blender, and can you see it covers my dark circles instantly. It's time to set your face. I'm using the Faces Canada compact powder, and it has a very nice sheer coverage. It's not giving you any coverage. It's like a nice sheer coverage, and just you know, setting my entire face, especially my under eyes, because this is the place where you know, most of the creasing gets. Hey guys, now it's time for eye makeup, and Boy With Love music video actually has mainly 3 colors, which is yellow, pink and very pastely blue. So I'm just going to use only these 3 colors, mostly pink because Boy With Love is all about pink color, and slightly yellow and very slightly blue color. So for yellow I'm using this Miss Clear yellow eyeshadow, single eyeshadow. It's a very bright yellow, and that's what we need. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and apply this yellow color onto my inner corner, like inner eyes, like inner lid. So yeah, because this looks so beautiful, yellow color looks amazing to your inner eyelids. And just take a flat brush, don't forget to dab the excess, and just apply it inside. Okay you guys, so now that we are done applying yellow color, so after that now I'm going to be taking up this pink color right now, which is from the palette Revolution, the Tropical Carnival. So I'm taking this pink color and apply it at the outer area of my eye, and just take a fluffy brush and just tap it right over here, and just blend this color with the previous yellow color that we have applied. And yeah, it kind of mix the 2 color, because yeah, you just have to mix the 2 color and blend it. Guys, so now the pink color has also been done, and it's already looking beautiful. So now for the blue color I'm using this Kajal pencil. This is from LA Girl, and this is very you know, neon kind of a blue, like very pastel. So I'm just applying this kajal, and it is very pigmented, so just applying this kajal instead of using a regular black kajal. So actually Koreans don't use a lot of black kajal or liner actually. they use like a more of a colorful. So as you can see, it is looking beautiful. It is not the exact blue color that the Boy With Love music video has, but I don't have any exact sky blue color, so I'm just using what I have right now. Guys, so now let's just apply the liner. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal liner, and I'm going to apply a very nice wing liner and a very thin wing, जैसे कि मैं usually करती हूँ. So because we have done a very light eye makeup, black liner will gonna be pop up beautifully. So just applying a wing liner like this. Okay, you guys, so now that I've changed my mind and applied a very bold, a thick kajal, eyeliner, and yeah, I think it's looking fine with the poppy color. And now just move on to the face makeup. So I'm going to use the Silvana Ultra Blush palette, and it has all the three things: blush, contour and highlighter. So the blush is the contour is very pigmented, also the blush. And I'm going to be just contouring my face very nicely because you know, Koreans have very slim face, and my face is not slim. I'm getting fat, so I have to make my face slim, and only contouring can help me. So that's why. So I'm going to use this peachy coral shade as a blush. I'm not going to use a lot of pink because there's going to be too pink. And yeah, this blush is very natural and nice. Now that the blush is done, I'm going to be using this silver highlighter. This is the only highlighter that this palette has, and silver highlighter will suit this look, I think. So just apply a silver highlighter. You can also use like a champagne color if you have. Okay guys, so for my lipstick, I'm going to use a lip liner. I'm not going to use any lipstick. I'm going to use this lip liner by Maybelline. This is in the shade Pink Coral, and it is a very muted pink color. And I'm not going to use a lipstick because then it's gonna be too bold, and at least I want the lipstick should be a little natural. So yeah, you know, like kind of balancing out a little bit. And this color looks nice. Okay, so yeah, this is like the first time I'm using a lip liner as a lipstick, and I'm not disappointed at all. Guys, it's done, and I am loving this makeup look. It got all the colors, mainly pink and yellow. The majority is pink, which is on the Boy With Love music video as well, and in my makeup. And the next color is yellow, and the last color, which is very least, is blue. I think it's like kind of a balance it out very beautifully, and I'm loving this makeup look. I'm loving it. Guys, that's it for the makeup look. And guys, I hope you like and enjoy this makeup look. And if you want me to create more these kind of look, please comment down below. And yeah, if you like this video, please consider giving this video a big huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming beauty related content. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Guys, also do not forget to share this video to every army you know what I mean.